Face masks are, of course, required on planes, buses, trains, and businesses like grocery stores and restaurants to protect not only yourself, but also others from COVID-19.
Each state has its own rules, but some have already started to lift those mask mandates. Right now, 26 states have mandates in place. 24 have eased up on the rules. News Station correspondent Janelle Fort live in Atlanta for us with what has happened since some of those mandates were dropped. Good evening, Janelle.
Good evening, Marnie and Rob. Well, we all know that wearing a mask has been highly politicized since almost the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. So as more and more states begin to relax those rules, people on both sides of the mask debate are watching closely to see what effect it'll have on coronavirus cases.
Across the country, states grappling with what to do about expiring COVID-19 mask mandates.
It's time to open everything back up and let people go back to living their lives.
Over the past month, Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, and a handful of other states relaxing restrictions. The nation now split almost down the middle. 26 states currently have rules in place and 24 do not. Largely, Republican-led states have thrown out their restrictions, while Democrat states have, in some cases, strengthened them. In January, Virginia became the first in the nation to enact permanent COVID-19 workplace safety and health rules. And in Oregon, turmoil as lawmakers there consider indefinitely extending rules requiring masks and social distancing in all businesses in the state. Data on the impact of easing the restrictions is staggering. In Texas, cases have been on a downward trend for the past month. But in places like Alabama and Mississippi, numbers have gone up and down. Nationwide, COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are once again on the rise.
I feel that we should still be wearing masks.
Health experts are urging folks to continue to mask up regardless. But many people question the need for masks if so many, at this point, 84 million Americans are now fully vaccinated.
This is something that as we get more information, it's going to be pulling back that you won't have to.
And you heard it there, Dr. Anthony Fauci last night on Meet the Press, hinting at a federal level advisory easing those mask restrictions. But it is also important to note that aside from travel and federally owned property, states have complete control over mask mandates. Reporting in Atlanta, Janelle Fort, News Nation.